Okay, so after you have imported this into iMovie, you can watch it, you think it's cute. You're gonna let it play until right where you want the sound effect to come in. So for me, I want it to come in here, and I want the sound effect to be right before that falls. She's gonna sneeze. So I'm gonna click and drag this back just a little bit, and then I'm going to hit the record button. Achoo! So then you can watch and play, see how you like it. And then you can add another sound effect. So now I'm gonna add the sound effect of the stuff falling over. So I'm just gonna hold it up high and then kind of drop it. So I'm gonna click and drag this a little bit back, and it's gonna fall there. So we're gonna go here and record again. So. Okay, and then I'll hit accept. So now we'll watch it play. It didn't sound very good, so I'm gonna redo it. So I'm gonna delete that by tapping that. Delete, we're gonna do it again. Okay. Okay, let's try that. So the sound of it falling is happening like a little early. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag this back just a touch. Let's see. And this one, the longer one, I'm going to click and drag this way a little bit, just a little bit. So let's try that now. Okay, so that works, and you're gonna upload it.